In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to booking calendar in Wix. By the end, you'll know how to access your booking calendar, manage what shows on it, and make quick updates like adjusting services, assigning staff, syncing your personal calendar, and creating new services right from one place. First, open your browser and head to Wix.com. Log in and go to your site's dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you've selected the correct one so the bookings you see and edit are tied to the right site. The dashboard is your home base and will work from here. From the dashboard, look for your bookings tools. Open the booking calendar. This brings you to a clear view of your appointments, availability, and any upcoming sessions. You can switch between views, like day, week, or month, to get the level of detail you need. If you don't immediately see the bookings tools, check the sidebar for anything labeled bookings or calendar. Next, open the calendar area itself. This is where you'll monitor your schedule in real time. It's helpful to glance at the top of the page to confirm the time zone and the current view, especially if you or your clients are in different regions. Now click Manage. This is the control center for your booking setup. Here, you can edit your services by adjusting names, durations, prices, locations, and buffer times so your schedule stays realistic and organized. You can also manage staff members, assign who can provide specific services, and set their working hours and permissions. If you rely on an external calendar, use the sync option to connect a personal calendar so your availability stays accurate and you avoid double booking. Before syncing, review your privacy settings and confirm you're connecting the correct account. Back on the calendar, click any date to take action quickly. You can add a new booking on the spot, block off personal time, or review what's already scheduled for that day. Use notes to capture client preferences or internal reminders. If you work with repeating availability, set it up once and confirm it applies to the right days to save time. When you're ready to expand your offerings, create a new service. Choose the service type, add a clear title and description, set duration and price, assign staff, and decide whether it's shown online immediately. Consider adding a lead time and cancellation window so clients book with enough notice and expectations are clear. That's it. Open Wix, head to your dashboard, work through the booking calendar, use Manage to fine-tune services, staff and calendar sync, click dates for quick actions, and create services as needed. You're ready to run bookings with confidence.